When I told people I am coming with video evidences that will link to the suspicious and what we are saying or people are saying about the masked witnesses.
Alright, a lot has been going on through the social media space. And of one corner now, I monitor if na trendy about this particular guy, about Udele Chukwuka of Ebu. Since his release from prison in Lagos, a lot of trending updates have been going out the social media space. That now this particular guy, so that the people testified against Mazi Nnamdi Kanu during his trial. A lot of people have been posting, even Ijele TV make these posts. Watch your screen. They actually put out these two pictures together. Zoom way off ma. You check here these two people ma who eat off ma. Because a lot of people have been saying that no any masker. One of them, Gabonatari Udele, the person who testified against Mazi Nnamdi Kanu in court. So it got from the updates from Ijele TV. For that, I had the worry. I see that now a lot have been suspecting that now Chukwuka of Udele were among the people testified against Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Anyway, video 19 this particular video is up play now. I'll play you guys the video from beginning to the end. Rapper no Ipob name. This video needs your attention. He get into know if you 19 video. Cause we analyze there. If any name analyze there these two pictures. We break it down everything and the reason why he's suspecting that's not this particular guy, but this particular same guy you must ever. So now they testified against Mazi Nnamdi Kanu in court. As long as they use go Udele. Just conclude when Mazi Nnamdi Kanu after, and also with the victory when we go to Kenyan court. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu 18th of July. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu after, or even before then. Man, I watch this particular video. Then it was a result. If you water from this analysis, one night remember, bottom result in the comment section. Echefuna, toss a video. Can also require waiting on local. Watch the rest of the videos. I'll be right back.
Don't worry. On our own I'm a poor Bob and Hannah Banana in a matata. Nani Jelabona Bana Cato, Nadara Ipob, Nnamdi Kanu, Jelabana Cato. Immigration never, NDLE never, WOG never, Indiana never, TSS never, prison never, fire service never.
Anyway, this is Ijele in Federal High Court Abuja 2022, countering Nnamdi Kanu's supporters in Federal High Court Abuja. When I told people I am coming with video evidences that will link to the suspicious and what we are saying or people are saying about the masked witnesses. So let us listen to Testified.
The judgment of the Federal High Court of Nigeria, Oka Judicial Division, delivered by Honorable Justice H.A. Ngajura on the bloody invasion of my ancestral home by the operatives of the Nigerian Police, the State Security Services, the Nigerian Army, and one Chukwuka of Ebu, aka Ijele speaks. On the 6th day of June 2021, the world was awoken with the shocking news of the second unprovoked bloody invasion of my ancestral home in Omunakwa Forest, the Ekusibe local government area of Anambra State, by the operatives of the state of Nigerian Police Force, the DSS, the Nigerian Army, and one Chukwuka of Ebu, aka Ijele speaks. During which murderous invasion, my personal assistant, late Mr. Samuel Okoro, was gruesomely murdered, as you can see in the clip. It is pertinent to note that the dastardly act was clearly captured by the CCTV camera within and around my compound, and the published footage speaks for itself. The murderous invaders did not stop at the lethal murder of my PA. They also abducted my elder brother, Mr. Ijele, during this invasion, and 3 of my domestic staff, namely Felix Okonkwo, my driver, Okafor Lawrence Ugochukwu, my gardener, and Ike Nashubike, my steward. This
okay. Now read this press release. This press release by his lawyer. Ask yourself, what is the business of Fabemi, Attorney General of Nigeria? Is Ijele case a federal case? Why not Attorney General of Lagos, where his case is? Now look at these 2 pictures. Now let me go back to the videos we watched. If somebody like Ijele can lead DSS, Nigerian security agencies, to the house of Ifeanyi Ejiofor with this CCTV camera footage. Now compare it to Ijele in detention suffering and meeting and the Attorney General Fabemi approaching him to become a false witness against Nnamdi Kanu for his release. If somebody can do this, lead DSS, other security agencies, and also come to the court to counter Nnamdi Kanu's supporters, right? What will left of him from involving in mass witness against Nnamdi Kanu, having attacked Nnamdi Kanu severally? From the picture you are watching, watch the body language, the body building. Watch it. Now you ask yourself, who is this? So some people were waiting for me to come and publish video where they were discussing with Ijele, giving him contract to come and testify against Nnamdi Kanu. It is not like that. The issue is somebody that did this kind of thing. What do you expect from him for his release? What is the business of Ijele and the Attorney General of the Federation, Fabemi, in his case? Is his case a federal case? Case you have with individuals is now a federal case. When I have case in Enugu, under Enugu state government, do Attorney General have anything to do with my case? Was my case a federal case? This is Attorney General of the Federation. The other one is Attorney General of state. They handle state matters. So this case was tried in Lagos. How come the Lagos State Attorney General was not thanked? Whom they are thanking is Fabemi, Attorney General of the Federation. I don't want to mention other ones there. This is the only one that connects him with federal government and to the case of Nnamdi Kanu. So, from whom Ijele is to Nnamdi Kanu and IPOB, and how he had been doing, what he did to Ifeanyi Ejiofor, consider this very bodybuilding in the court. I don't know mass witness who immediately after the government said they have finished bringing their witnesses, that's when they free Ijele. They granted him bail. That's why they did not discharge him, they granted him bail pending the agreement with him, between him and the federal government. Pending. That is why the government would like to give bail. They don't like discharging acquitted. They base on bail. So what actually involved federal government in the case of Ijele, if he was not contracted by federal government for a false witness? This is Fearless IPOB Evangelist Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Thank you.